Ladies and gentlemen, is funny to the bone. Give it up for FunnyBone!
Thank you. London. How you guys doing? I'm not going to shout like this. Go do go and ever bomb. Now their first time. So they are under pressure to impress you. I've been coming here for 12 years now. So if you like, you laugh. If you like, you know, laugh. I know it's not funny. To the bone. And are they okay? That's when I go laugh. If we not listen. Because we no go shout. Rebecca. Wow. You help your friend. I want to clap for her. Kelechi. I've known you for 15 years. When I broke, what you do for me? See Rebecca. Oh. Now only Arsenal fan. Now I tell no you. Look at Rebecca. Learn. Help me. Oyibo. The one on the edge. Yeah. Where you from? Like originally, yeah. Where you from? Originally. What? As I was saying, because you're from India, where we come from, in my country, we and you, we are the same. Or when you hear each una they hustle, we they hustle. Una they owe, we they owe. Una can price, we they price. So we are the same. For our eye, you are not Oyibo. My sister, where are you from? What? Greece. Greece, as in Athens. Greece. On a passport, not to. No. You are still one of us. Oi! Where you from? What? Sweden! Oyibo? Si Oyibo? Sweden! We hear the sound Sweden. See now on Greece, India, Sweden. Indian film. Did you watch Indian films when you were growing up in your country? You guys used us do anyhow.
Mary?
Indian film where when I gone be like soundtrack. Ushang young. Ushang young. Like when motor won't start. And all their name, the same name, Tazan. Daram Sade. You know, say then, we don't know what it. We suffer for Nigeria. Poverty. We go watch Indian film 4 hours. We know they hear anything. Then we know who go die later. Now when I grow, I say, my childhood, what were we watching? Indian movies. You go on popular one. This movie, if you know him, you don't old. Johnny man, Johnny today, Johnny tamanna, Johnny day, Johnny man, Johnny today. Kill him. Do you know Johnny man? You don't know. I don't tell you. See, Igbo. Indian films. No. These guys were good. Now for Indian film, I don't know this one. I don't forget the name. Oh. One guy, they train dog. Boss can't kill the dog owner. Only dog. Oh. Nketa. Come go kill boss.
Chihuahua.
And all those working yoga. Indian film. Now Indian film, snake girl, snake. One snake. Agwo. Kill 7 men working in Madam. For Nigeria, we kill the snake. It's fine. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kano's wife. Kano Wanko's wife. I'm gonna clap for her. Just girl. I don't know how can it take CM. Small French was girl then. Kano spotter. Pion.
How old you be then?
Leave my age. It doesn't matter. I was young. She too was young. Kano come use long leg with long ball. Share. She love her. But Kano smart. Because Kano no say facially. You know today okay.
That's a lie.
He married. But say why? Forget say Kano the plot. Even Amara no say she help Kano. But see their children now. 4, all handsome. If you ugly, no, they don't clap. If you're here and you're ugly, do the world a favor. Marry somebody who can supplement your deficiency. Help the children. May do not use your children at witch for school. That's why I like AY here. AY is a great guy. AY, they are full family. Them black. In brother Larry, see him next to them as they stay stand in family order. In brother, he black. AY no say Yomi Casual, the one who be tailor. He black. They are last born. They are full village. Even their state. AY say no. This black hood cannot continue. In Mario Yibo, we're yellow. They burn chocolate. Larry Maku, here. See quick. Come Imo State. He beg us. He say, I beg. This girl don't like me. They gonna pull him out. I follow go. As I'm now, I was there. Man, sorry, but say, baby girl, manage your own. You understand? She agree. She marry him. My sister don't give this guy 2 twins and 1 pikin or the easy. All of them yellow. Yomi Casual, no. Say, he still come back also. Abi again. Even though say Abi no get road, we follow him go. We marry the girl. She don't born 1 girl now, 1 boy. All of them yellow. The guy you go, oh Shomole. He marry half castle. The children, they still ugly. In blood, too strong. It cannot be helped. And I don't like how you guys, treat stand-up comedians in the UK. Yo, he ain't good, fam. Fam, this ain't good. You guys ain't doing us right. Because it's not cool. You guys see comedians, you guys ain't going to shout. It doesn't matter. Whether in America or not, leave me with my accent. And me get my visa. Speak your own, I speak my own. British way, all of them, they talk like who they put hot water for your mouth. I know they hear now. So leave me with my own. After all, I left Nigeria. Let me tell you about these boys that came here for the first time. These boys will not embarrass me. We flew tingle. I flew tingle. Because I did fly. And the airline will fly. The air hostess from Kenya, they come. So they know the two hear about English. Ebobon begin order alcohol for plane. He drink. And a small, air hostess they get, the ones where they walk around plane. Go get the main madam. Where they control other ushers. So now they monitor Ebobon. Ebobon don't they drink for the plane. And a new airline. They know to fly with alcohol. Ebobon don't they drink. Now do I can't call the girl for their Kenyan language. Right? What are you? Yes, and say, when I would tell you, that is this guy where they call you waiting in the drink. The poor girl verse. And you win here. Now do I say what? And this airline, he's been drinking. Now he walk a come with it. Say, excuse me. I say, who? He said, one on Dada, Ebobom. Follow me. They say you've been drinking on the plane. Why? Is this a beer parlor? Now Ebobom say, I'm sorry, I didn't know. Go back to your seat. Ebobom go back. She called the small girl. Don't you ever serve him another alcohol again in your life. They don't ban Ebobombo. Tingo say no, man, they come by road. He drank the airline down. Now, this abroad there, say abroad don't spoil. When we come this London, 209. That time abroad na big deal. Now Instagram don't spoil everything. You can be in abroad in Lekki and lie. That time, no Lekki, na Ikeja day. Where you want lie, say you go abroad. Those days, visa. And then the Thanksgiving now. For visa, they do Thanksgiving. Praise. Jesus is there here. After 14 years. My son Chukwemeka made it. Or Banyego. Nowadays, worry, gear. Apply once, then give them. They no denier. They deny AY 22 times. This are not get value again, no. This lady here, they stamp for like the forehead. If I ever see you in VI again, go home. Now visa don't turn to waiting anybody. If not, how Ebobom, how this boy face, how he take that visa come run down, how who stamp him? And those days we rehearse what we will talk for point of entry. They'll give us address ahead of time. You're staying in Charlton, Cherry Tree Court, 204, bomb. So we rehearse with each other. In here. Charlton 1, Cherry Tree Court, 204, bomb. If you miss that bomb, they will deport you. So inside plane with a hey, I found out that's okay. You know okay? Nah, no, Cherry Tree Court, 204, bomb. Everybody. And I'm Igbo. I say it for free. They have Igbos in the house. Igbo kwanu. Annoying people. Now only other if you go club, now only Yorubas, 9 girls go rock, they go confused. Once they don't rock, Yoruba man, he goes up, oh baby, me killing me, oh. Igbo man, no matter how a drink. He high, in mind they in pocket. As he dey dance, he dey greet customers. Why? One day what's up? And Azokwa. Now we thank God. You go turn this side. Odogu, Tingo airline. One I gave the girl go on picking money, saying no day. As he put hand, the man go laugh for Igbo. Oh my God, the baby boo, my God, can't now, Igbos, I tell people, music made no sense back then. 80s, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Music made more sense. For those who be, how would I be? Live how would I be? Live how would I be? Forget my hip hop. You say how would I be? How old BAY? You say how old I be? BAY is 69. You asking me how old am I? Music then made no sense. For the those in the house, there's a man I love so much, Victor Wifo. Great man. Song we don't tell, but he did, it get meaning. Any whenever, Joe me, any whenever. I don't know the meaning, no. But I know say any, now whenever. That song is 31 years this year. It still makes sense. The same man again, no, sing on that one. If you see mommy water, oh, never, never run away. I be Igbo. If I see mommy water, I go run. But that song is 29 years now. It still makes sense. For the Yorubas here, Ebenezer Obey. Aye masiko loda muweda o oromi lowo Oluwa lowa. It means say your time go come. When your time come, you go make money. No Russian. That song is 32. It still makes sense. For the Igbos here, let Chief Oliver the Coke. Ibiri o, ibiri kambiri. Onyazonu wazo, uagabasi onyobuna o. Ibiri o, ibiri kam. That song is 24. It means stay. Make I stay. This word will contain all of us. For those who know English, old school song. When you come on, one love, keep us together. That song is 27. Till date, when they sing them. The song we listen to in Nigeria today, it affects our lifespan. Two friends enter studio, pay money. Yo coco, yeah yo coco, January. Oh my mama, I am standing by your window. Are you a thief? Come down. What are you doing on my window? Pass the door, enter. That one no give you. My own brother, Flavor, Anambra boy, enter studio, begin singing rubbish. Haladala dagago. Ife bala babago. Umwanya na megale. Ebulubago. Baby, fire they go. All the boys they don't colo. They want to. She want to. Waka waka baby. Kona baby. Wuru baby. I go tell my mama. I go tell am say. You be waka waka baby. Baby sawale. See people, mama. You don't stop here. You go further. Borokotum, bom bom, borokotum, bom bom. Bakoroba, bom bom. Ochori bobo, ukunwa baby, atukurege, awusa, ashawo, awusa, Oyibo spell, Good night, thank you, God bless, that's my time. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's so. What is your attitude? That's so. That's so. Oh yeah, pass.
Person wey mama die yo. Na make una dey laugh. Person wey suppose stay one kind. That goes to let you know that